about the husband they collected from you 15 days. So now let's talk about what drove you out. And let's talk about if I was there. Like I made a post yesterday night, people told me you shouldn't have made that post. But let me say something. Me, my philosophy, when something confronts me too much, I like to face am one-on-one, we deal with them, leave them. So that it will no longer be news. I don't like news where people they struggle to get. You say I took something from you, Abi? Come out and tell the whole world how it happened. Let's talk about it. So that the news go die and make us feel like they do. You don't need to be inboxing my followers, inboxing them picture, inboxing them what happened years ago. Let's talk about it now. Let the whole Kowatisa, let's talk about it and end it. Because if you are to be a mother who have feelings, it's not my child issue. You used to attack me on anything. You say I took something from you. I took husband from you, Abi. I knew you and him together and I took you. Come and talk it. You have gone to a rant. You have gone to Instablog. You have talked about it. People told me to keep quiet. But you inboxing people. I was at my backyard cutting roots. Cutting roots that they are taking to an obese person that cannot breathe. See on my hand, wound. Cutting for free. I'm not collecting money. If you use and be good for you, you tell me thank you. How else can one be transparent? I cannot fight somebody to the extent you'll be talking about your child. I will now use that your child something to come and fight you. Mba, I value every child. Even the one that is in best side, I value all of them. Because if you give me opportunity, I cannot create any. So people are saying, why do you talk about it? Sometimes you face it. You will not because of a woman has big nyash. Her front side big, well. When you want to enter, you will enter by side. You go face and enter. Face and enter so that everything will go wherever. The side talk is too much, so I felt let it start blog. Let everybody carry. Tell them at the point I came in whether you were there or not. The first one that went on rant, I confronted you. I said, this thing you posted, why did you post it? I said, I'm not the one that posted it, my friend, it's a mistake. The one you are inboxing my friend, my followers, are they mistakes too? Let's come out and talk. So you want public show? Let's do public show. So that the news will die. It will no longer be news. I fetch another channel. I think it's high time I pick some small dog and flog them very well. You cannot be afraid of somebody to the extent that you will not be, people will not, I was cutting roots. Deborah, somebody posted something on my inbox about you and your husband and another woman. About five different ones. I said, no. This Goliath, David must face it. I live inside Facebook. There's no need to tell me, say, shame. I'm not ashamed. Because I go use shame, die in silence. I am managing my diabetes, my high blood pressure, because I don't allow unnecessary things to live in me. If a rubbish, I stone back to you. When you bring nonsense to me, I wrap it back and stone to you. Why is it now? I've been coming on live, doing my thing. I didn't have much followers. I was just managing myself, selling my herbs, doing my cream, selling on live session. You did not come and talk about the husband they collected from you 15 years. That same woman you cried to, when everybody left you, she took little and said, take, go and live your life. You didn't tell Nigerians that one. So now let's talk about what drove you out. And let's talk about if I was there. Let's talk about it. I think it's high time we talk from your own channel. I talk from my own. And I will talk. Those facts, I beg not to come out. I bring them out. So Nigerians will know who actually send who out. I be like person wey go dey beg to. Do you think this nonsense you're doing? I'll do it. That's why I tell women that beauty is not enough. Beauty is not enough. Be a woman, but be subject. Men call me, oh, Debbie, I know, good afternoon, sir. Because I'm not a sir, please, as long as you're a man, you're a sir. Even women that call, ma, sir, respect is something you give and you get back. It does not mean that at the point where you should spell it out, you will not spell it out. I don't want you to be going to people's inbox to drop pictures, expire marriage, picture. I say, let me bring it live. After all, the court case is starting afresh. We can do another saga for 1 week. Let's do it live. Because when you know what you're doing is clear, you come out clean. You are calling me a husband snatcher, but your brother had health issue. You call me, I gave you some time, take care of the health. You know you talk that one. You're looking for a way to bring me down. Before I go down, let's tell the whole world how I came. How I push you out, as big as you are. As big, where you big, almost in your late 50s, I push you out. Come, let's talk about it. Because if you fear something at some point, you confront it. Fear anybody that love cannot break. Fear anybody in life that love cannot break. So I may be having bad mind towards something, but when somebody shows you love, you let it be. Ignore her. You went on rant the other time. Mr. Blog carried, everybody carried. I kept quiet. I kept quiet because people say keep quiet. But this one that has to do with inboxing people picture. Let's come out. There's no need inboxing. Send me your picture, your wedded picture, Mabon. Let me help you and post it. I will post it for you now. I got viral under 1 minute. Because of your bad mouth. I met him, he was almost gone. In and out of hospital. So a woman pick him, brush him up. When we had a baby, you are asking, is it true? Can he impregnate a woman? Look at what you're saying. Now he's back on his feet. You now want to come back. Somebody brushed him off. Brush him up. Help him to be. Why you are using mouth to badmouth him? Come out, let's talk. You want to talk? Come, let's talk. You don't need to inbox people. Come, let's talk. Brought him up. Stand with him in sickness and everything. He has a child. You're asking people, can he impregnate a woman? Come, let's talk open. My husband knows that I'm a God sent. Since you want us to talk, I can't keeping quiet. There is no Insta blog. Which one is Insta blog? Let's talk it here. Bring it up. Let's talk about it. Bring it up. Let's talk about it. Bring it up. Let's talk about it. Come on, make a video. Tell the world how I smashed him and how it happened. Since you want to use Don David's issue to become popular, let me give you popularity now. If you will not hug transformer, let me give you popularity. And I will not add nor remove, because I will gain nothing to do that. 15 years ago, this is when you came to fight. 15 years ago, you left him in the hospital, you thought he was going to die. Then somebody brushed him up, stood by him through thick and thin. Now you came back from nowhere. You were a virgin 15 years ago. Come and fight. Come and bring it up. Let's fight it. You don't know who you're dealing with. Bring it up. Let's fight. It's high time that let Nigeria hear that thing. I don't want to be the one to boss. I want to hear you talk. When you talk, I download how it happened. I will not add nor remove. You want to use my son issue to fight me. It's now you know that they break. Come up, let's talk. Share the video, let it get to Mabon. 15 years ago, Abi. It's now you want to fight 15 years fight. Come up, it's even nice.